Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chevron. The National Weather Service in Butler Grove, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. 12:30 a.m. At 11:20. 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. To stop. Miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Hampshire, Johnsburg, Lake Lyric, Spring Grove, Candlewood Lake, and Fox River Grove. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Moraine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's Lake and Fox River Grove. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Moraine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.